Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can import Quizlet to RemNote. So we will use Quizlet as an export feature to get the text, then paste it into the RemNote using the flashcard symbol. So the first step is open up your Quizlet, set you want to move. So let's say I'm now in my library. So let's say I want to export this quiz right here. Click the three dots. So here at the top, and then select export. Now we need to tweak here a little bit. So set the between term and definition separator to custom and type right here. Let me show you just like that. Like that. And then set the between rows, so right here at the right, to the new line, just like that. And then what you need to do is just copy text. Okay, what we need to do now is head over back to the RemNote. All right. So now here we are in the RemNote. What we need to do now is create a new document. So right here, and let's say document, and I will use quiz, or let's say Quizlet, and like that. And what we will do now is just paste it right over here. So RemNote will instantly recognize these symbols which we added here. This one here, as you can see, it's now the arrow right here. And yeah, turn every line into the flashcard. It's now, if you forget to set the symbol in Quizlet and just paste standard text, highlight all the pasted text in RemNote, and then what you can do is basically use shortcut Control plus slash on Windows or CMD plus slash on the Mac. It will open up the omnibar. So let's try it. So, and the slash like that. And what you need to do is type in here turn into flashcard. And then what you will need to do is select the front back option, and this is it. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.